Hi everybody, I'm getting ready to make supper tonight and I'm going to do a meatball casserole. Now you can make your own meatballs and put all the ingredients in. I'll have everything in the description box below. Or you can buy frozen meatballs for the quick, fast parents that work hard all day and their kids are all playing, or if you just are really tired. So I'm using frozen meatballs tonight. Let me show you. I'm halving the recipe. So I'm going to take these meatballs. You can use, these are Italian style. You can use turkey if you want. And let me see, I'm going to get another package. I think I had some, maybe I don't. Let me look here. I guess I don't. So we're just going to use 5, which will work out pretty good because I'm going to have linguine with this. So you want to spray your container, and this is just for 2 people. So you want to put your meatballs in. Then you want to use a 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella. Just like this. Just put a 1/2 cup in. And then you want to do a 1/2 cup of Parmesan. There's my muscles here. Popeye the Sailor Man. Doot doot. Guess I'm not old Popeye anymore like I used to be. Okay. And there's your 1/2 Parmesan. Now, for seasonings, you can add more or less, but this is what I like to use. 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of onion. Right here, 1 teaspoon of onion. I love this onion. Oh, it's so darn good. Okay, then I'm going to use dried garlic or fresh. Well, let me see here. I took garlic out right in front of me. Wouldn't you know? And that's, again, it's called garlic, and it's so good. Gonna use a teaspoon of that. Yum, yum. Italian season blend. Now, let me see. Did I find the blend? There was one I did not have on hand, and that was that. So I'm eliminating that. Cayenne pepper. Let me see here. I'd do more, but Ray doesn't really like it. So I'm using 1/4 teaspoon. Just want to put it over like that. And let's see, chili pepper, I'm using only 1/4 of that. Nice and dark, yum. And that can be optional as well if you don't have it. Now, 2 cups of marinade. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour it in till what I think looks good. Just like this. That looks good to me. And it was a can of sauce, and I used about 3/4. But again, if you like a lot of sauce or light sauce. And then what you want to do is you want to top it off with a cheese of your choice, and I'm using sharp cheddar. And you want about 1 cup of that. So we'll put about 1 cup of that. Well, we don't got much in here, so there you go, right there. Okay, then we're just gonna cover it. Just like that. Okay, then you want to heat your oven, preheat it to 400. I've got mine preheating now. And you want to bake these for 15 or 20 minutes, depending on the size of your meatballs. Just remember, you got to make your meatballs. And if you make your own, just add an egg in there with your turkey or your beef, whatever. So I'm going to wait for it to go off. And that's what it's going to look like right there. And I'll bring you back when it's all done. And I think I'm going to serve it with some fettuccine, I think. I'm not sure. You know me, I never know. So hi everyone, I just got done taking everything out of the oven. And this is what it looks like right here. Just right here. Doesn't that look yummy? So I cooked up some fettuccine. Just gonna, here, got a little bit. Yum. Okay. Mr. R, I see him coming up the drive, so I'm gonna hurry up on this. And there it is. Right there. Doesn't that look good? Looks yummy. Look at the steam coming off. Mr. R doesn't eat salad, so I'm going to. But I'm going to have a little piece and taste it. Everything's nice and cooked good. I don't know where to put it. Everything looks so good. This is cooked nice and good. Put a little fettuccine on it here. Wow, it's very, very flavorful. This is very, very good. And if you want to get some more sauce, you can. There's plenty here. And I can just go like this. Myself, I'd rather have sauce. But this is very, very good. There you have it right there. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Neither do I. So we'll see you tomorrow. God bless. Bye now.